It's the year 2053, and the government has turned against its people. Citizens have to hide in abandoned buildings, hoping the government won't find them, because if they do, they are taken away and turned into lab rats. Scientists are rearranging the nerves in the human brain, trying to create their own Superman, but are coming up with monsters. These experiments are like caged birds wanting to fly away. Then one day,
You're awake. Thought you'd never...
Caroline, she's awake and recovered.
That's good. Why don't you... Medulla! It's okay, Medulla, we're friends.
Who are you?
My name's Caroline. That's my brother Mark. He found you passed out in the woods.
How do you know that I'm Medulla?
It's tattooed on your neck. You're a survivor from the Institute, aren't you?
What are you looking at?
Hi.
What?
Hi!
Well, look who I've found. It's Medulla.
My name is Julianne, and I'm not going with you, Christopher.
I see you've got your memory back. But I'm not that sheepish little boy Christopher anymore. I'm Reguh, and you're the powerful Medulla.
I will not be a part of this horrifying government game anymore.
But Father wants you.
Father never gives up his children, not even for the government.
Would you rather they go in for you?
Leave them alone!
Caroline! Stop it! She's gonna die!
Do you really want me to kill her? I mean, she saved your life, caring for sickness and infection.
Let her go, Christopher.
You make me.
Caroline!
We've been looking for you for months. Only discovered you're here, a few miles away from home. You made quite an exit, too. Killing 40 soldiers and almost our father.
Christopher, what happened to you? We dreamed of escaping. Of freedom!
Freedom is a worthless excuse for people to destroy their own lives. Do you really want that, Medulla?
Yes!
Fine, I'll set you free. I'll let you out of your cage, Medulla. You can be free all you want down in hell. Thought you never feel that again, huh? Well, you can move things with your mind. I can go inside of it. Do you feel human now, Medulla? Do you feel the freedom destroying you?
No!
You're taking human life so serious now. We are programmed to resent these people. Programmed to kill and tame them.
We used to be there.
Until we were given gifts. Embrace your gift, Medulla.
This is not a gift. They're creating monsters to destroy what is left of this wasteland. I will not be a part of that.
Come on, Medulla, be serious. These humans are weak, can't even fend for themselves. Why would you ever want to live like this?
Shut up.
Why'd you leave in the first place, huh? Why didn't you just kill the leader himself? End this whole game, huh? Why'd you leave your own mother? Oh wait, wasn't it Mother who did this to you? To all of us?
Shut up!
You're so weak now. Months ago you were more powerful than me. Now look at yourself, look what you became. Letting these emotions get to you, letting useless memories take over.
Mark? Mark, get up! Mark!
Don't touch her!
I can kill her in seconds!
Leave them alone!
You
government dispose of your disgusting body. They will see that you have failed and they will have you hunted and killed.
So you're not gonna kill me? You're so weak.
No. I'm sending you away.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go take down the government.